So good morning, dear students. In the previous session, I had given us some question. That is a one question. That is, you need to write a Python program that is going to calculate area of circle and calculation of area of square and calculation of difference between area of circle and area of square. It is a very simple program to you people because you already learned these concepts in C and C++, Java also. Okay, so now let us learn how to write a Python program to calculate the area of circle, then area of square, then lastly we are going to calculate how the difference. What you all are done in yesterday, some students sent me the output of this program. They did in cell. They did in cell. They used a prompt. Prompt and use madiri, very good to calculate the areas and all the things. ಓಕೆ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೊಂದೇ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಐಡಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್, ಟುಡೇ ಸೆಷನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಹೌ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೌ. I need to write a Python program to calculate the area of circle. First part of the program is area of circle. What is the formula for area of circle is? What is the formula? That may be pi r square, am I right? Pi r square is a formula for the area of circle. Am I right? So side into side is the formula for area of square. So this basic idea you are having. Pi cannot be represented as this symbol because computer is not having this symbol and computer cannot understand the symbols. So what you are going to do now? You are going to take a variable pi. This is what a basic things you need to understand. If you want to write a Python program, you need a three variables here. One is basic three variables I am telling. One is pi, one is r, another one is side. These are the main base variables of Python program. Of course, another two variables are there, that is area of circle and area of square to hold the values. Let us discuss the program now. So first part we are going to see that the variable assignment. We did not discuss the input function, so we are not going to assign the variables dynamically. That is runtime ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನ ಐಡಿಯಾನ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. So we'll discuss a simple program which is assigned variables. Assign ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So first one is first variable is right side. ఇక్కడ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ pi r square ಅದಂದ್ರ I need a pi and r. What is a pi? Simple program ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Pi is equal to 3.142. Pi is equal to 3.142. I am writing the program. Comment bariri munda. That is, commenting is a very big thing to achieve the marks also. You need to write a comment. Assign value to pi variable. After pi, what I required? After pi I required radius. What it is? Radius, that is r. Radius is equal to take your own variable object. I will take 2 here. Again you need to write assigning value to radius. Assign value to radius. The same thing, I required a third variable, that is to find out the square, that is side. What is side? That is side is equal to is I am audible to you people? Is I am audible to you people? Raise your hands. Is I am audible? Yes. So pi I have declared, radius I have declared. Next I need to declare side variable. Assign the value for side. Comment, assign value to side. Okay, I got the base things here. ನನಗೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು that I got, ನನಗದು ಸಿಕ್ತು. So pi is there, radius is there, side is there. Pi, radius, side, these are the base variables. Now what I need to do after getting this, hash calculate area of circle, calculate or calculation of area of circle, calculation of area of circle. After this, write down area of C. Area of C andrenu, area of circle, it is a variable. What I am storing here is equal to, how to frame the expression, the variables into the variables plus operators. This is going to frame the expression. I need pi r square. I need pi r square. Pi r square. What do you mean by the r? R into r. Instead of r, what I have taken? Radius. So instead of pi, what I have taken? Pi. So pi into radius into radius. Am I right? Am I right? Radius into radius. Am I right? Pi into radius into radius. Is it correct, my dears? If it is correct, raise your hands. Is it correct? Yes, of course, it is correct. So one more option is there. One more option is there. I hope you remember. I hope you remember when I am teaching. When I was teaching about operators, I taught you that can I write or e statement anna can I write like this? Area of circle is equal to pi into radius star 2. Can I write that one? Pi into star into radius to the power 2, that is r to the power 2. This double star is going to represent the power. I hope you remember that one. Have you got this one? Have you got this one? Have you got this one? Either you can write like this, nor you can write this. Have you got this one? Please raise your hand if you got this one. We have completed the first part. Either you can keep it or you can keep it. I will keep as it is, this one. As it is, this one. I will rub it. Okay. Well, after this, I have completed the first part, that is calculation. After calculating, I will get area of circle. Sir, I want to print the value of area of circle. Yes, of course you can print after calculating. That is, print the area of circle ಈ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. So after that I need to calculate hash calculation of area of square. So I need to again I take a variable called area of s, that is square, which represents the square. So what is the formula is there? side into side, side into side. What I have taken here? Side, side into side. Finish it is, that is a calculation of area of circle. Have you got this one? So second one is over. First one is area of circle find out madidvi. Second one is area of square and find out madidvi. I will print the area of circle is comma area of square, that is, sorry, area of square is area of square. Hope this, up to this you clear the program, you have cleared the program. I think up to this you have cleared the program, am I right? So let me share the screen, which is Python shell, Let me share the screen now. Share. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you now? Is it visible? So here what you are going to do is, you are going to perform. ನೀನೆ ನಾ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅ ವೇದಾಂತ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, so what is 3 into 2? What will be the result? 6. There is a 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ವೇದಾಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕತ್ತದ. ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕತ್ತದ. 3 into 4 6 ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕತ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ರೈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. yes or no? Okay, now what I taught, 3 into okay, down your hands. 3 into Vedant, what will be the result? 3 into Vedant, what will be the result? Vedant, it is going to print 3 times. Now let us have a plus operator here. The last statement is going to produce an error. Why? The question is arises. 3 plus 2, it is gives the answer 5. What I have taught? 3 plus Vedant. What is that? Vedant. What it is going to produce error? So unsupported operand types for plus, int and str. What do you mean by this? I told that the plus operator is going to overload it in 2 times. One is to print the addition option, another one is to concatenate. Here I am not concatenating anything. 3 is here. Before ನೀವು ಏನರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you cannot concatenate string to the integer. It will cause a error. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು. I hope it is clear. You all know how to work with a prompt, I think. Raise your hand if it is known to you people. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ raise your hands. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದರಿ? First, you need to go for all programs. Then you need to click on a Python folder. Then you will get a Python IDLE. Click on that. You will get a prompt that is a cell like this. I hope it is clear. So you can write a program here. But the problem is it is a cell. You cannot write like that. You complete program na ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ possible ಇಲ್ಲ. So what I need to do, sir, now? ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ file, go for the file, whether it is visible, where cursor is, whether it is visible. So file. In the file, you have to take a new file. You have to take a new file. In the file, you have to take a new file. I think it is now visible. Now it is visible. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. It is here. Show me the things. Now it is there. File, file, and new file. You need to click on new file. After clicking, just wait. I will show another screen here. I will show another screen. It will appear. Okay. So after clicking that, new file anta click madidmele, you will get the thing like this. Whether it is clear now? Whether it is clear? Okay. This is what called as ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೀತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ, ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಫೈಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್? ಹೌ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್? ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್. ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ the dialog box will appear like this. A dialog box will appear like this. Just you need to save the program as first or else area, whether it is recording or not, area of circle, area of circle. Save it is .py. It will save directly as a .py. Py in the sense the extension for given for the Python program. As you know that .c is for C program, .cpp is for C++, .java is for Java, .py is for Python program. Okay. Now let me write a program as fast as, because the time is not there. So what I am going to do here is pi is equal to 3.142, enter radius r I will take 2, enter side I will take equal to 1, whether it is visible, side I will take. Next I will calculate area of circle equal to pi into r into r. Enter. There is a no semicolon. Print the area of circle, comma, area of C. I hope it is clear. Enter. Area S is equal to side into side. Enter. The same thing I will copy, Control C and Control V I will do. Here I will print S, that is S. Next, area of square. Not now what I need to calculate, that is difference. Difference is equal to area of circle minus area of square. What I need to do now, print the difference. That is DIFF, the difference. Now it completes. Control S. So now how to run this program, sir? How to run this program? Here the option is there, run. Run. click on run, you will get run module. You can press F5 or else you can come to run and run module. F5 na press ಮಾಡುದು ಅಥವಾ run module ಮೇಲೆ click ಮಾಡುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. I will click on run module. Okay, the result is in front of me. I will share the screen of that one. I will I'll share the screen now. That is, I have a different result. See here, the result will be like this. The result will be appears like this. The result will be appears like this. The area of circle is 12.568. The area of square is 1 into 1 always 1. So after the difference is 12.568 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the result will be 11.568. Okay, this is what a procedure to run your Python program. This is what a procedure to run the Python program. Okay, have you clear with this concept? My dear students, have you got that one? Have you got that one? So session is going to end now within a 3 minutes. So if you clear with the program, just ensure me that you are clear. What I have shown, the same procedure you need to apply for printing your name. You have to write a Python program. That will print your name. That is going to print your name in the cell. What I have shown in the procedure. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್. ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ನೌ. Thank you for attending the session. Is there any doubts? Akash, you can unmute or else chat, message me what is your doubt. Akash, MD. Okay, watch the video. If it is not clear, watch the video. What I am going to upload. If it is, and I'm going